All right, all right, all right, all right. The eagle has landed. The eagle has landed. The ET Max, but gold ET Max, baby. I got a little box right here. I don't know what's in there. I think it might be some pads or something, but man, it felt like 5.5 years waiting on this thing, man. I ordered it like, pre-ordered it like shit 3 months ago, 3.5 months ago. Imported straight from China. So here we go, baby. Unboxing ET Max. What it do? Yeah, here go the pads right here. That's what's up. This is kind of difficult doing with one hand, but I'm gonna try. See what's in here. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's the charger. Just the charger to the ET Max. Damn. Let's see what it say. Let's see. I'm wondering if this is the fast charger or the stock charger, because they'll send you two chargers sometimes. I think this is the stock charger. No, actually, this might be the fast charger. The stock charger should be in the original box, which is down there. So this is the fast charger. This charger by itself, I believe, is like $300 if it's the one that I'm thinking. Because this particular wheel can charge at 20 amps, right? 20 amps, which means you can charge it like at like 200 something watts. So you can charge this thing like 95% in like 50 minutes with the fast charger. So and this wheel is capable of that. So which is why I think they give you the fast charger. But I'm not sure if this is the one that I'm thinking, because the one that I'm thinking of is called the Roger charger, and it fits my particular wheel. But yeah, I think that's the fast charger right there. That's what's up. And if it's not, you already know I'm gonna order that fast charger, because let's say if I decide to do an epic ride, let's say I do like 50, 60 miles on my wheel, you know, I can find a Tesla charging station and charge my shit up in like 50 minutes, which is nothing, you know, and then I can do another 50, 60 miles, you know, if I wanted to. So that's the significant about having them fast chargers, because the regular chargers, you know, it'll charge your shit up, you know, in between maybe like 4 to 8 hours, which is a long time, right, to be waiting, especially if you out riding. So my particular wheels can do 100 miles, but that depends on your weight, to be honest with you. I'm a big dude. I'm sitting at like 300 pounds, or maybe shot. I'm sitting at like 296, 295, somewhere in there. So I'm definitely not doing 100 miles on one charge. I'm doing, if I'm keeping it under 30, I probably would get about 50, 60 miles with my weight. But let's say if I do that, right, I'm chilling, I'm doing like 50, 60 miles, you know, I'm out. You know, I live in San Diego, so, you know, if I ride out the Oceanside, I can get the Oceanside and charge up. I don't even think Oceanside is 50 miles from here. So I could probably ride out further than that. But let's just say, like, if I got the Oceanside, put my charger on for like 45, 50 minutes and be almost, you know, 95% charged up, you know what I'm saying? So that's what's up on that. So that's the charger right there. I'm gonna pause the video real quick it's gonna be a few minutes for me, but a second for y'all, because I'm gonna start cutting into the ET Max real quick. So hold on, y'all stand by. All right, here we go. Here we go. Unboxing of the ET Max. ET Max. I've been waiting 5.5 years for this thing. No, I'm just playing. It wasn't 5.5 years. It was more like 3 months, but it felt like 5.5 years. Shit. And then they try to do me. Man, I gotta tell y'all the story, man. I told my dad, and he was thinking it was like some buddy stuff. But these mofos, man, ended up. You know, when you pre-order something, it's pre-order, right? It's reserved for you, right? Tell me why these mofos sent my shit off to another customer, and I don't know how they got mixed up with it, because supposedly my ET Max was supposed to go to the service center, because when I ordered my wheel, I ordered it with a 1,300-pound spring on it, right? A spring. It comes with a 900-pound spring, but I ordered the 1,300-pound, you know, because I'm a big dude, you know what I'm saying? I need that extra cush, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking it's going over to the service center, man. Tell me why these motherfuckers sent my shit to somebody else. I'm like, how the fuck does that happen? You know what I mean? I got my shit reserved. So here we go. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, it's upside down, y'all. All right, hold on. Let me pause it so I can flip the box back. All right, y'all. I got it right side up now. So I'm just gonna just lift it up since I already cut the bottom of it. Here we go. ET Max, Bagodi boy. ET Max. Let's see. Hey, y'all, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. So this right here is the, what do you call that stuff? Velcro. This is Velcro. So this goes on the side of the wheel. So you can stick your pads on there. So you can have a little bit more control when you're riding. Y'all see it, because I'm gonna document my whole little process. Here we go. What it say? Bigo. What it say? Hell yeah. Certificate of conformity. Yeah, we're gonna throw that to the side for now. Yeah, buddy. Let's look at the Bagode. The Bagode. Hey, y'all, my dad got me into this, man. I actually was gonna get a hyper scooter. I was gonna get a hyper scooter, but my dad convinced me to go the EUC route. And I was kind of looking at him, to be honest. I was looking at him, you know, as I was shopping around, looking around and shit. I had my eyes on him. But my dad just kind of, ooh, look at that. Bagode. That's a nice looking wheel. Look at that shit. Wow. Let's take this box off so we can see it. Oh, the thing is on the bottom. Okay, hold on. Let me pause it again, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all. I'm back at it like a crack addict. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but man, look at that. That's a nice wheel. Wait till I take it out, though. Here we go. Here we go. Shit. Dang. Dang. That is nice. nice, man. Look at that. Man, that is a nice piece of machinery right there. It's tall too, so I can sit down. I can sit down and ride. I got a seat coming, a custom seat. No, I got 2 seats coming. I got a seat from this company called Vortex, and I got a custom seat coming all the way from Thailand. This dude in Thailand got one. I mean, he ride and stuff, but he do custom seats. Man, that's nice, man. Dang, Dad, you see it? I know you. I know I'm gonna be watching it later, this video. But anyways, damn, man, the lighting sucks in here, so y'all really can't really see it. Dang, man, I got all kinds of shit coming, y'all. I'll kid y'all now. I got a rack for my clothes, so I can hang my clothes up, my riding clothes. I got a what else I got? I got a stand for it. I got seats coming. I got Grizzly pads coming. My helmet. I ordered a expensive ass helmet, but it was worth it. But yeah, that's sick. Look at that. Look at that wheel, man. That's a motorcycle wheel, y'all. That right there is a motorcycle wheel. Man, this thing is nice, man. I'm about to baby the fuck out of this. At least I'm gonna try. I mean, I know I'm gonna probably drop it, but I'm gonna learn how to ride on there's a school down the street from my house with a track and field and stuff, and they got that sponge concrete. I'm gonna be over there practicing, learning. But that's tight, man. That coil, see that coil up in on there? Y'all can't really see that, but it's a spring coil in there. This is the dampener, the shock and all that. So this particular wheel, y'all, depending on your weight, you can do 100 miles on one battery charge, depending on your weight. And this particular wheel tops out at about 73 miles an hour. There was someone who topped out at 73 miles an hour on this same wheel. It's a high performance wheel. It is long distance, but that also depends on how heavy you are and how fast you ride it. This is a high performance wheel, which means it's made to go very fast for a long period of time. So you can be pushing this thing like 55, between 50 to 60. No, I would say between 45 to 55 miles an hour for miles. You know what I'm saying? You can just send it, man. You can literally just send it. Going between 45 to 60 miles an hour for at least 25, 30 miles, man. But of course, going that fast, you're gonna drain your battery for sure. You're not gonna do no 100 miles. You'll do what? You'll do maybe 45, maybe 50 if you just sending it. You know what I'm saying? If you just on, if you just, sending that motherfucker like, 25, 30 miles, straight gunning it, yeah, you're gonna drain the shit out of your battery. But I'm not a speed demon. I'm a cruiser. So I know I'm gonna be able to get, 50, 60 miles, 65 miles from it, because I'm a cruiser. You know what I'm saying? I don't follow the pack. I'm the guy that'll be riding with a bunch of people, but be in the back because I'm going slow. Because I'm just not a speed demon. So I know myself. So, man, but that, man, y'all should see this wheel. Man, how thick that motherfucker. That's a motorcycle wheel. Look at that, man. I'm gonna change these out. I ordered some pedals, some black and yellow ones, because my color scheme for this is gonna be black and yellow. Yep. These right here, these Velcro, go right here on the side of this, on the side, and then your pads stick up on there. But yeah, ET Max, Bagodi boy, my first wheel ever. This is gonna be my first wheel ever. So this is a special wheel for me. I'm never gonna sell it. I'm always gonna work on it because this is my first wheel. I'm never gonna sell it. It's my baby. I'm a baby it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hang this up. The Gold ET Max unboxing. Holla at your boy. Dad, check me out. I'm gonna send you another video, separate video from this one. Check me out, Dad. All right. Shalom. Peace and blessings. All praises to the Most High Yahweh Yahweh Shai. Peace and power to the throne of King David. All praises. All right, y'all. I'm out.